Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the garden, guys. Let me show you guys. I remember having even 25 of those princess flowers, and they used to be in my backyard garden, and since I was moving them to the place I rent, all of them died, guys. But I just find another flower which is the same thing, princess flower, and I heard they said this one can grow to be like a tree. Of course, anything can be big as a tree. And then I did get her, and of course this one came from Monovia, guys. Of course, all Monovia plant are really good plant, and that was $83, and I pay half price for that. I think, guys, if I can find a good place to put her, and I will have myself one of the nicer plants in the garden. And I think pretty soon she's going to push out some flowers. I just want to put her on a place where she can be more happy than that, and she can take full sun, which is that's all I have here, because I don't want to bring her to my friend place. But yet, if I can find a good place to put her, I would do that. But yes, guys, I find this one, and then I'm planning to make a lot of cutting from her on my garden. I will want to have more of these beautiful flowers on the garden, guys. If you guys know more about these flowers, just let me know. And this is kangaroo, because there was no tag on her. I can see how many how tall she can grow, but they said she can turn out like to be as a tree, or she's a shrub, but she can be big. And of course, that's what I want, a big one to put in a big yard. That's what I want. I can't wait when I feel better to put her on 15 gallons. But so far, guys, I've been so happy on buying flowers. And guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribing yet, please subscribe, like, and share. Have a blessed day, guys. Thank you so much. I love you all. And yes, guys, look at this. Some beautiful grass. And also they're going to give more flowers. I like everything here.